Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today we are going to be making a fabulous autumnal inspired cracker or gift box using my October VIP lounge papers. This sort of project can be made using any papers that you guys want for any occasions, any month or any type of the year. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon.
Okay guys, so this is the home page on my website. If you click on VIP Lounge, you get the three options. So you've got the 3 months subscription, 6 months subscription, and for the full year. And the reason why I've done that is just to give you, at least you have an idea of what you're getting. So again, select which subscriptions you want and then put in the basket.
Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we are going to be making a fabulous cracker. I love making crackers, and not just at Christmas time, because I think there are sort of gift boxes that you can make a different one for any occasions or any time of the year. And today we're going to make an autumnal cracker. I don't know, before I moved to the UK, I never knew that crackers existed because it's not something that we have in Italy. I'm sure the USA or other countries, they have it. If you guys have, please let me know down in the comment, because I'm really interested to know. The original plan is to have this cracker on a burgundy cardstock, and I was 100% sure that I had a burgundy cardstock. I didn't. So I decided to use this brown, it's like a proper brown cardstock, and layer some VIP papers, which I'll show you everything in just a second. But the beauty of these is, as soon as you know how to make it, you can personalize. You can either put initials, you can make bows. When I was tidying the ribbons, I made a bow, and it was very too much. And you know, for me to say that you know me guys, for me more is more. But no, it was way too much, so I decided just to close it like that and just pick some ribbons. I was debating what colors of ribbons to use, because those little turquoise greenish goes really well with this, but it kind of clashes with that. But again, I think in terms of color harmony, I think it works. I had other colors and I was trying them. So the orange and the green worked really well with this sunflowers paper. I just didn't like it with these tones here. And I have tried with the yellow as well, that is really bright yellow. I just didn't like them. It works with this, but I wasn't sure it worked for these colors here, for this paper. Likewise with the green. So I decided to opt out with this lime and turquoise. It's not turquoise, teal, because I think it works with that and it works with that. But again, you can decide what colors to use. Love, love, love. Right, let me show you the papers and then I'll show you how to make them. Right, so the VIP subscriptions is a service that is actually been just an idea that's been given to me from a couple of crafters, not last year, yeah, about last year. And basically it's a subscription service. So you paid once and then you get every month, you get treats. So there is 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So if you subscribe for 12 months, for example, every month for 12 months, you get digital papers that have been specifically designed for the VIP members. They're not available for everybody else on the catalogue, on the website. And also you get a 20% nominated discount code. That this 20% you can use for the entire year. So if it's 12 months, 6 months or 3 months, depends on the subscription length. And also you get every month, you get another offer. And also when you joined, you get a welcome pack. So you get an additional free pack, and that changes every month. So for the month of October, if you join the VIP papers, you get subscription, you get 3 paper packs. One is called Halloween Madness, of course, because it's Halloween. So you get 7 pages. So this kit is formed of 7 pages. There's a lot of background. So you got this one here. Oh, love, 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 love. This one here with the pumpkins and the ghost. I love that. You get this one here, which is the haunted houses with the flying pumpkins and the crows. This will be an amazing journal page. You've got two scary clowns. I love scary clowns. So that's one is more like on a blue color, whilst one on like on a red color. Again, if you do like notebooks, that would be a really nice cover. Or you can just fussy cut it and do like in a little paper. If you do like paper bags, this you can put this on front of your papers. Love this one. And another one with the houses, the houses, the pumpkins, the witches' hats. Love, love, love. It's more like a really nice purple and orange color. And then the last but not least, which is my favorite page of the kit, you get these super cute paper doilies. Okay, so with these lovely cuts. So I've done a tutorial with this a couple of weeks ago. So I'll put the link of the video down below. The second paper pack, which we're gonna play with today, it's called Nostalgic Autumn. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So it's a super kit. It's 11 pages, so it's a fairly big kit, and it's formed of fabulous backgrounds with lots of sunflowers, and also this really nice shabby background. So you've got 1, 2, love, 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 3, 4. Then I put one page, I put the 4 backgrounds together, shrunk on this size. So they will be really nice vintage card or greetings card, whatever you guys want to put with it. We can either cut it into tags or you can fold it and make mini notebooks. So you can do what you want with this, guys. It's very, very versatile. Then, love, love, love this, which we're going to use it today. Super cute doilies with pumpkins and autumnal flowers. A milk counter box. So this one here, guys, when you do it up, it looks like this. Okay, so the triangles, those two, one at the side, and you just pinch it together. This top here is the 2 top ones, and then of course you got the side, which is those 2, and then the 4 square ones, which is those 2. So when it's made up, it's 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5, and then it's up to you. You can pinch close and you can put paper clip, or you could glue it, or you can put 2 holes and put a thread through. So yeah, love, love, love milk carton boxes. So that's that. This is nice, guys, if you do like an autumnal table, to put some treats in it, and then every guest has his own little box. This is for our journal lovers. So you got 2 side pockets for your journal, and this one here when you just slide things in. A beautiful selection of 4 gorgeous tags. Love, 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 love. Look at the butterflies. And you get more gift boxes. So you get a pillar box. So when you're doing up, you do it this way, for example. So you've got a really gorgeous butterflies, and you've got the autumnal background. And then last but not least, another gift box. So it's a cube gift box. So when you wear that, you make this up, is a cube. Love, love, love. And then yes, there's more. And then for this month, you get Halloween crosswords. Okay, love these. Just an idea, very, very different. So you get some crosswords to do if it's raining. Like today is a very bad day here. It is raining really, really bad. So when we sometime when you watch TV on the background, I do this just a way of taking the stress out of the day and just relax. So yeah, you get these, which is 14 pages. So you get 7 crosswords, and then of course there will be a solution, so where you find them. Okay, so I've got here this template, and there is a picture of these on my Facebook group, so come and join me over there. You can download the template for free. my Facebook group is resources, not just the freebies, like free printables for you guys to download the print, but any sort of like cards template. I put everything in there because it's easy. So you just go there and find them. So my starting point was an international A4. So for us European, A4 is I could never remember, 8 something by 11 something. But for you guys, if you're watching in USA or other different countries, your international A4 is slightly wider, slightly taller, so your cracker might be slightly longer and wider. But for us, so for example, this is an A4. This is a starting point. Okay, so there is no cutting, there is just scoring. So this is an again international A4. So what I did, starting from here, scored it 2, 2.5 and 3, and then you rotate and you do exactly the same thing. So score it 2, 2.5 and 3. Very, very simple. And then on the short side, you score it at 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, and you end up with this little tab there. See this little section. Now, because your A4, got glue on my finger. Because your rectangular might be larger, so you might have more space there. Okay, but what I suggest, trim it because you don't really need a bigger size in there. So what you do, you just banish all the score line, and I'm gonna do this with you guys. Very, very simple. There's no cutting, and I love the way there's no cutting. I love simplicity, so I like to make things simple for you guys. I've done loads of crackers tutorial on my channel. If I remember, I will put them in the info box. And then you, on the short one here, you fold in a concertina, so in, out, in. So let me explain. So I think it's called mountain fold, valley fold, and then mountain fold again. It's basically called, I call it concertina because it's like this. Oops. Let me show you. When you fold it, it goes like this. So this is a traditional cracker. That's this. I mean, I put the ribbon there, so, but I'll show you when we cut it now. And then we do it exactly the same on the other side. So you end up with something that's that. So that's the cracker. So what we need to do on this second score line, so the one at 2.5, not the first, not the third, the second, you put these. I'm using the envelope punch board just because it's easy. So what you do, you position the second score line in the middle of that, and then you just punch. Okay, if you don't have the envelope punch board, you simply cut a triangle like that, and you do the same. You fold it, fold the first score line, and then punch to do the second triangle. Then open it, fold the second score line, punch to do the triangle, open it up, folding it, etc, etc. So you do this for all these horizontal score line. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna speed it up for you. Okay, so you end up with something that looks like these. Okay, so on the short side there, you're just going to put some glue. So just going to, let me just take this off. You can use double side tape. The reason why I put glue is because it's nice to have a bit of jiggly time, so you can wibble it and move it as you need it to. With a double side tape, once it's in place, you don't have room for maneuver it. So, and the simple ways of doing this, keep that pressed down, lift it up, and then you move that close to that, and then you lift it and then you just press it. You see, having the glue gives you some time to make sure everything aligns together. Okay, and that's your cracker all done. As you can see, that's that. So you can then put your present inside. Just put some tissue paper, so make sure it don't comes out, because I left it quite big because I want you to put anything quite big. You can either put like toiletries or stationery, chocolate. I think these are great for like Thanksgiving on your table, just a little present for your guest. But yeah, so that's how you have it. Okay guys, before we go, just big shout out goes to the lovely Billy Joe. Billy Joe always leave comments on my video, and Billy Joe subscribe this month as well. So guys, if you wish to get this paper, subscribe in October, because in next week I will be sending out the November VIP paper. So this is the last chance for you to get this paper. So put Billy Joe's comment on the screen, and yeah, thank you Billy Joe for subscribing to my VIP lounge. So yeah, before we go, we always finish with a positive quote. So this is my 365 days of calm, and today is number 12. I will make today wonderful. Absolutely. So make sure whatever you're doing today, you make a wonderful day, because we won't have this day back. Okay, thank you so much guys for your continuous love and support. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That will put my logo somewhere here on the screen, where you can just simply click on it, and your support is much appreciated. Guys, I will put another link on a video that we done not long ago, when we made some expandable pockets where you can host and hold some treat boxes or any ephemera or any treats or anything that you guys like. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.